Welcome back to our show. Did Jasper come up with a new name for his bird? Well, let's find out now.
I'll tell you, I think I am stumped on this one. We have gone through so many of the names I wrote down, and I think I'm out of names we could use here.
It's okay, Jasper. I understand. I guess I'll just go on without a name.
Don't worry, we'll think of something. Wait a minute. I remember a while back, someone used to call you by the name of Terrence. How come you're not using that name?
Well, let me explain that. Terrence is actually my cousin. He used to live here for a couple of years, then sometime in the summer of 2018, he moved to Little Elm, Texas. He's helping a friend babysit his 3 kiddos. It's not as simple as a job as you think.
Oh, well, that definitely makes sense. I was around here by myself for a little while. I can definitely see the family resemblance.
Yeah, at least he has a name, unlike me. I'm sadly nameless, night riding into the no-name zone.
That's it! I've got it.
Oh? Well, I guess let's hear it.
Reggie.
Oh, I like it. It's like that character from Knight Rider. My friend Nick just showed me that show recently. I really like that name.
Well then, henceforth, you shall be known as Reggie.
Yay! Finally, I have a name.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching our show starring Jasper T. Gels and Reggie. We really appreciate you coming to visit Jasper's Giant Star Diner. Ha ha!